From this video, we will together build a customer registration form. In this first step, we will add the necessary fields and establish the form layout. Before watching this video, check out our previous videos on form and page, already available on our channel. In them, you will learn some concepts and get to know some essential components. From now on, we will focus our explanation only on the components that have not yet been covered. Now create a form called Customer Registration and insert a box with 100% width. The layout is based on the Bootstrap framework, which divides the screen width into 12 columns. Set different widths for the components by selecting a percentage of presentation in the field properties. Furthermore, it is possible to make the application responsive, adapted to different screen sizes. Define unique presentations for desktop, tablet, and mobile. Inside the box, insert a label called Customer with full width. It will serve as the title of the form. Add another box that occupies the entire screen width and insert the text field, radio button, and 2 more text fields inside it. The radio button offers the user a list of options, allowing them to choose only one. Rename the first text field to Name, the radio button to Customer Type, and the other text fields to SSN and EIN. Now include the drop-down, Date, text field, and email components. The drop-down field is a list of options, and the Date field is used to record dates. Name the drop-down as Gender, the Date field as Birth Date, the text field as Phone, and the email as Email Address. Additionally, adjust the presentation of the Gender and Birth Date fields to 17% and the email field to 42%. Next, add an integer field and 2 text fields. The integer field allows the user to input only integer values. Name it House Number and the text fields as Street Name and Zip Code. Set the presentation of House Number to 8%, Street Name to 75%, and Zip Code to 17%. Finally, add 1 more text field, another drop-down, and a date-time field. The date-time field records the date and time entered by the user or collects it automatically. Name the text field as City, the drop-down as State, and the date-time is registered on. Also, adjust the presentation of the State and Registered On fields to 17%. In this way, we have completed adding all the necessary fields. However, we still need to finalize the configuration of the radio button and drop-down components by creating their option lists. Start with the Customer Type radio button. In the Values section, click the Add button. Name the list Customer Type. Click Add option and enter Individual. Add another option called Entity. Click Save to make the list available for selection. You can use it again in other forms and components of this project. Now it's your turn. Repeat the process to add the options, male, female, and other to the gender drop-down. Also, add the American states to the state drop-down. With this, we have completed the first step of this project. Save and run the form to have an initial preview. In the next video, we will learn how to add masks and visibility rules to the fields. Stay tuned. If you have any questions or want to learn more about Builder, check out our other tutorials on YouTube. You can also reach out to us through our social media channels. Check the links in the video description.